On Saturday, Syrian President Bashar al-Assad issued a decree to form a new government, shaking up many cabinet posts, but keeping the head of defense in place. President Assad has argued that he is pursuing reforms even as he fights a revolt he says is led by foreign militants. Some local residents just want the country to pick itself again, regardless who is in charge. I hope Syria returns to normal. That's the saying of one of the residents. Most of the government posts were given to party's loyalists. Critics consider the cabinet to be largely symbolic and say power in Syria remains in the hands of Assad and his close inner circle of family members and security forces. The new cabinet follows a May 7 parliamentary election, which Assad said was part of the path to reform, but the opposition boycotted it, saying that it was a sham election and insisting the president must step down at all costs like the other Arab uprisings in the Arab Spring.